one last question regarding the federal legislation. And first of all, thank you for your presentation, Professor. And if it's possible, and if we still have time, I would like you to comment about the recent decision of the European Court of Justice about the Privacy Shield. And if you think that this decision could make the American companies support a federal legislation in order to guarantee the transference of data from the Europe to America.
Yeah, well, we're definitely the U.S. Privacy Shield is something the government was really pushing because the companies are pushing. So that's why I mentioned there are these two frameworks, the US-EU framework and the Swiss US framework. So I do think this USC Privacy Shield is important. Now, will that result in the new laws being passed, which is your question? I think it cuts both ways. It cuts both ways because it allows these companies to say, look, there is now a privacy shield. Everything is fine. Everything is good. We don't need a federal law. We are fully complying with GDPR. So there's no problem. So I think it cuts both ways. On the other hand, you are right. It does allow people who want legislation to say, hey, the GDPR did not cause so much chaos. And there's good mechanisms in place. So let's at least have one federal law for privacy. The concern that the companies have is once there is a big federal law protecting privacy, then that is the camel's nose in the tent. And over time, this law might become stronger, bigger. So you see, that's why the Privacy Shield actually, you could argue, makes it harder to have a federal.
Thank you.
Does that make sense?
Yes.